Tag. Ang tagawang kadina, men.
Ang katong mulabang nimo di mulantaw mudungos ilalim or panggikan ilalim.
Good morning. Welcome to this new video. And as you can see, we are here with someone that is not usual to our channel.
Hello guys.
Kuya Paul. He basically have a YouTube channel as well, and I'll put the link in the description down below or somewhere around the video. As you notice in the first part of the video, we've basically tackled some trails this morning, which is pretty much a very bad idea because it pretty much rained heavily last night and the trails are not in a good condition. Kuya Paul basically knew that I bought the wrong bike for the occasion, and he brought me to some places that's not good riding a 27.5 bike. So basically what we're going to do today is we're going to Sambuangita, just a short ride. We will basically cover about 50 kilometer plus today, and we'll try to do a bike check in his bike. He basically have some components in his bike, and we'll try to do a bike check in. So yeah, let's see what's ahead of us, and hopefully Kuya Paul won't scam me further longer. Let's go.
Go deeper since the bridge is completely damaged due to the rain last night. So we have to pass through this bridge.
We basically are aiming for the road, and I don't have any idea why we are here now. But oh my god, quite sneaky trail and quite dangerous bridge. We'll try to secure the GoPro.
Kung natimingan na, kung kahoy dito kuan ba lubi, kung maagi sa kinato matimingan hulog sigurado dito.
Oh, ganiha dahil kadlaw, di balik sila kay
kapunuan tong lubi.
Pagkuan. Lalo man day kaayo, nahulog kay kapasada daman og kuan. Hulog.
Ganun, likod kayo lagi. Ganun ka.
A few moments later.
Dito man to, agi. Nya mo tong lapok ko na kayo. Isang nimo to laki na ako ni dalan tayo. Tapos bata na po ay dalan. Mata pagsulod na dira on may dalan. Puro naman sagbot.
Nang dalan din, hindi makita kay kasakitan mo.
Gani. Basta kana na to ano. Kana na kahoy.
Dihas Amerikano. Kuan na. Kay dagkong iruon yung makagawas pa ako no.
Ah. Dira japon dasot ng dalan dili.
Gamay ra man tong dalan ra magtawo pero adin ni mas parsada mo agi.
Diretso mo sa barangay.
Oh.
Sige.
Abot sa mo asa mo
Kaya rest ito, no? Sige, thank you.
Salamat! So basically at this moment, Kuya Paul doesn't know where we are going.
Actually, we're on the right track already. By God's grace.
I don't know if we'll reach Sambuanga at this situation, but hopefully we can.
Actually, this is the... I'm kan. So last pag. Actually, this is the right way.
Kuya Paul doesn't know what to say.
We need to push our bike from that area going here.
Let's go. We'll just continue the ride. Hopefully we'll get to the supposed to be destination. Let's go. So basically, after a whole bunch of negotiating our way out of those challenging trails, we are now here at the National Highway. Kuya Paul is pretty happy because he's camped me quite good today. If you look at our bikes, it's quite muddy since it's really muddy and thick mud out there. My shoes is not in a quite good situation as of the moment. It's covered in thick mud. Hopefully the GoPro give justice to how my shoes look like as of the moment. It looks nasty. Anyways, let's just continue with the ride. Let's go. So basically what happened is we didn't continue on our trip to Sambuanga because we figured out it's too far and it's currently 9:16 and Kuya Paul needs to work at 9 and it's already 9:16, so probably he'll just time in at around 10 or 11. So what we're going to do now is we're going to bike check his 29er Mountainpeak bike, which has quite some new components around. So let's get into the bike check. Let's go.
Hello guys, welcome to Stephen Street channel. I'm Kuya Paul and today we will be going to bike check my bike. As of Stephen Street, they want to have me bike check on this bike. So by the way, this is my Mountainpeak Everest 1. So there are some components here that I get from my old 27.5 bike, and there are also some that came from some local bike shop, Shopee, and second-hand item. So first, let's check the second-hand item that I have. So this Ecstasy seat toes. So this is 31.6, I think, 49. So this is a second-hand item that I bought, and it's actually about 100 plus grams. So it's actually much lighter compared to other brands there in the market. So the one that came from my old bike is this one, the Jore 10-speed shifter. So it's from 2016, I think, when I first assembled my first bike. So this come from my old bike. Then the rest are actually brand new. So I have here this carbon handlebar race face. So I'm not recommending you to purchase this. Actually, I purchased it from Shopee. It's actually quite a good handlebar. I have crashed on it, however it's still working, and it can actually carry my weight. And actually I'm about 80 kilos. So this is actually just for testing, and hope it will become my permanent handlebar because it gives me more comfort compared to aluminum ones. So I purchased it around 700 plus from Shopee. So this is just for trial, and yeah, I hope this won't break on me. So I also purchased this carbon spacer from local bike shop. Then to make it look elegant and cool, so I match it with the Racework stem. So it's 20 mm angle with 100 millimeter length. Then I have by the way, I still have this Jore brake. So this is from my old bike as well, since 2016. So for the new components, the one that I recently purchased is just this stem and handlebar, the cogs, and this Jore M5120 RD. Right, so this crankset is actually second-hand as well, Alivio. And my pedal is a Shimano non-series pedal. So this is FDED 500. And yeah, the frame is the Mountainpeak Everest 1. So compared to Mountainpeak Everest 2, it doesn't have any grommets here, and design is quite different. However, I like the design of this Mountainpeak Everest 1 since it actually has some sparkling colors when the sunlight actually, or the heat of the sunlight got directed from this frame. So I also using this RockShox Judy. Yeah. So RockShox Judy, this is actually an air type with 100mm travel and 30 diameter stanchions. So the wheels is Heroic, my hubs is Origin 8, and yeah, I think that's all for my bike. So it's weight around 12 kilograms, so I'm planning to make it lighter, but as of this time, this is my current build.
So basically that's it for the bike check. After a while, we're just about to go home already, and that's pretty much the highlight for today's ride. Thank you for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Leave some comment down below if you have something in mind, and enjoy the rest of the video. Let's go. Uy, Paul! Woo!
Oh. Ano po yung dalan dito? Ah.
Dala rame.
Sahon na mo. Nakapaning bagyo. Nakapaning bagyo gahapon. Marso pa ni. Lubi na, diba?
Iyo, mati, Paul.